Challenge because it's lovely seeing loads of new faces at this time. I found that it's really helped me get up and get motivated and be really productive and feel really good.
This has definitely helped me through lockdown. It's also helping me bring my motivation and confidence. It's been a pleasure being part of this team.
It's such a weird time. Seeing everyone, they all just make you feel really happy. You just do it at your own pace and everyone is just motivating you to keep on going and push through. And I'm gutted that it's over because I've really, really enjoyed it.
Thanks for killing me off, Ed.
Are we ready to rock and roll?
Yeah, let's do it.
So,
I'm scared.
the first
Morning, everyone. Come on, Matthew. Come on, Matthew. Go on, Matthew, boy.
Kill this.
Go on, Matthew.
Oh, Tyler, look at Tyler.
Flash.
Matthew, that's legendary. Tyler, that's amazing. Well done.
I heard Lee's laughing. Ava's it's Lee because he's got it.
Well done, Dylan.
Tyler does it.
You got
Champion.
everyone.
Go.
Shut.
Times.
3, last 5. 4.
Come on.
Tom's really proud of you.
3.
Come on.
Come on, you got it.
2.
2.
Last one, come on, right.
1.
Hey.
Hi everybody, we smashed it and done the 200 sit-up challenge. From doing 8 at the very first session to doing 200 at the last session straight off. It's been an absolute pleasure and we're all very proud of you as staff. Thank you so much. Do you want to be part of the next challenge starting Monday? If you've got what it takes like these young people did, inbox us today for your unique Zoom code.